Hey guys, Aussie Boy come here again with Save a Bird's Life Part 3. So, it's been a while now since we tried it again, so if he doesn't fly away now, it'll be never. So, yeah, let's see what happens. Alright. Last chance, buddy. Alright, fly. Give me some content. Okay. Ah, shit! It just took a massive shit on my trampoline. Fuck. Alright. Look at that. Get a close up on that. Fucking hell. He's probably shat in the box too. Oh, he is fucked. Alright, we're gonna fucking hope for the best. Yo, just a shout out to Phenomenus, Madyock, and some other YouTubers. Yeah, can we hit 500 million likes? Nah, we have fucked this.